Welcome back to the coding ninjas, and so today we are solving one of the most asked interview questions, valid parentheses. So today I will use the brute force approach to solve this problem, and it is very basic and easily understand. So here I will use the string manipulation functions to solve this kind of problem here. So we need to have on mind the contains and replace functions here. Contains is mainly used to whether the required string is contained in the string or not, and replace helps us to replace the string with the other one. So here I will take an for loop, and start contains helps us to find out whether the string is present in the string or not. And if a start contains, so I forgot about explaining about the description. If you want the explanation, I'll just so here we have given a string as and we need to check out whether the given string is valid or not by using these kind of and must be closed by the same type of brackets, and open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has corresponding open bracket of the same type. So we need to check out the whether the string is valid or not. If this is the valid one because it contains the one closed and one open and one closed, and this is also valid, and one open and one closed, one open square bracket and one closed one. But let's see in this test case here, one closed brace, but it is another type of brace, square brace, so it is not valid, and we need to return the false section here. So let's dive into the coding section. We have finding out whether the given string is contained in the string or not. So here I'll check for the square braces, and I'll also check for the curly braces, because these are the only three things that we need to consider to find out the valid parameters. And we need to replace the current if we found out whether the open brace and close brace, and we need to replace with the empty string. So repeat all the three steps for this. Replace each brace with an empty string, and the final one, curly braces, also this one. And finally, if we found out the string is empty, we need to return true, otherwise not. So let's run this code once again. So there is an error here, so s equals to the the spelling is mistake. So now let's run the code. So all the test cases are being passed, and now I'll explain uh, the test case here. So here we found out the string is open brace and close brace, but the string contains this one, and we need to replace this one with the empty string. So the string is empty here, so we need to find out whether the string is empty or not using is empty function. Through is empty function we found out the string is empty here. So and the time complexity for this one is off and square, because we need to check for every time whether the string is contained or not, and the space complexity is off n, because it every time it replaces the string off n time. So this is how this brute force approach for this valid parenthesis. Later on in the next video I will show you the implementation of optimized code using stack. So that's it all for today, and